Thank you so much for the invitation to speak in the panel. It was a very interesting conversation on supercharging innovations. I think the problems that we are solving for needs supercharged innovations to solve them at scale and to solve them fast, both. From a banking financial services landscape standpoint, I think we need to look at larger problems which are very population and context specific to be solved for. It's not catching up. We don't have to catch up with what US did. They did their own mistakes. They did their own good interesting things. But what we need to do is to solve for specific problems at population scale within India itself, so as to ensure that the India's population is completely formalized economy. Number two, we are able to move ahead with respect to protecting our senior citizens. We are able to give dignified financial products to a larger set of population in India, right? So that's what we need to solve for from a population standpoint, rather than getting some fancy AI and doing some nice digital journeys. So insurance is at a cusp of change, if I would say. So payment and lending in financial services has moved ahead. Insurance is still yet to go, specifically because insurance is a very long-term product versus lending or for payments. Payment is very transaction specific, and lending is maybe max is for 20 years for what you buy a house loan for. But insurance is a very long-tailed product as such. So that's why you need to think through all the aspects and perspectives before you start launching products and you start innovating on top of it, because the implications you will not know. Maybe it comes after 15 years, after 30 years, right? So that's why it's a bit slow, but it's more sure-footed. Technology is helping us to ensure that we reach out. First, we create awareness. That is the first part where the technology is coming in. Second, we onboard customers. Third, we are able to service them better going forward, right? And also give them a better comparison with other financial products which are available versus insurance products. So we have only a small sector of people who we go directly online. But as these population, the Gen X and Ys grow up, we will be able to increase the share of insurance which is sold directly online as we move forward. That is where I see it is not going to happen it is going to take some time to move in that direction. Though there are a lot of insurance companies who have done metaverse in insurance, but it is still a factor which is for Gen Z actually, if you ask me. We are still waiting to see adoption in that. It's just what we need to solve for is population scale problems, not just a very small population set.